Hi, hello, namaste, namaskaram, vanakkam. This is Gayatri and you're listening to me on Vada Pav Sambar channel. Today I wanted to eat something sweet, so I decided to make banana apple pancake. Let's begin. Let's make it together. It's going to be yummylicious. First, let's take one banana, peel it off and mash it really very well. So as the name says, it's banana apple pancake. We are gonna have both banana and apple. Okay, so here I'm using a fork to mash it. So mash it really very well. And this is the kind of smooth texture you want it. It needs to be really very smooth kind of texture. Here I have taken some grated carrot, some grated apple and few dry fruits. I have taken almonds chopped and raisins. You can add other dry fruits as well. Oh my god, I placed my mobile vertically, but anyways, now add this carrot and apple to the mashed banana. Dry fruits will add later and give them all a very good mix. Coming to the dry ingredients, I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of rava and powdered jaggery according to your taste. Now it's the time to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. So I am adding the wheat flour, jaggery and the rava mixture to the fruit base whatever we have made earlier, and I'm going to first mix it well without adding water. All fruits and vegetables by default have some water content in it, so we need less water in making the batter. Now start adding some lukewarm water little by little and start giving it a mix as you keep on adding water. So our batter is ready now. This is the kind of texture. It's the time to add dry fruits. So I'm adding my chopped almond and raisins, and now I'm gonna give them a good mix again. Finally my camera is back in horizontal position. Put a pan with thick base and let it heat up for some time. Once the pan is heated, you can put some ghee. You can use butter also instead of ghee and spread it all over the pan. Now take the batter and spread it on the pan. Make sure that your gas is on low flame and not on high flame, otherwise your pancake will burn. Spread it very softly and smoothly. You need not to overspread it. This pancake is going to be slightly heavy on your tummy because of banana used, but it's going to be taste really well. So this is how it should look like after you spread. Now take a lid and close your pan. After some time, open the lid and check if it is roasted properly. You should make sure that it's roasted very well at the back side. Once you think it's roasted well, flip it on the other side. Now here you can see little bit of brownish color on the back, which means that it's roasted really well. After few seconds, flip it back again. The main thing to keep in mind that it is not raw and it's roasted well. So once it's roasted well on both the sides, serve it in a plate. Here I have taken strawberries for decorating. You can choose any berries of your choice, you can choose any fruit of your choice. I am just decorating with strawberries as my toppings. And I am going to use little honey to drizzle on top of it. You can choose maple syrup or chocolate syrup, or you can simply have it without any syrup also. It's gonna taste equally good. And that's it. You are now having tasty, yummy and healthy banana apple pancakes. Now as I go and enjoy my pancake, you guys can have a relook at the recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to Vada Pav Sambar channel. I'll come up with a new video very soon. Until then, bye bye.